Hi, I'm Mahi Agarwal and I'll be presenting my project's functionality with you. So for the first specification, my website should have at least 3 pages and the links of the other 2 pages should be on the upper right corner of the page. So this is our regular Google search page. The second is Google image search page. And third is Google advanced search page. For the second specification, it is stated that the user should be able to type in a query and click Google search. So I'll type in Harvard and click on Google search and we'll get the results. This is the URL and it's also the search bar is rounded, has rounded corners. The search button is centered and it should be beneath the search bar. So for the third specification, we'll go on Google image search page and the user will be typing a query and I'll click on image search. You'll have the results. The fourth specification will go on Google advanced search page and the user should be able to provide input for the following fields and we have all the 4 fields stated. All these words, this exact word or phrase, all any of these words and none of these words. Of the fifth specification, it's stated that the 4 options should be stacked vertically and all the text fields should be left aligned, like the CSS of the Google search advanced search page. So if we type in a query, click on advanced search, this is what we'll get. For the sixth specification, if we click on I'm feeling lucky button, you'll get a redirect notice. And the CSS I'm writing is resembling the Google's own aesthetics. So these are the 7 specifications. Thank you so much.